Oh no, I have fallen and I cannot get up due to lack of energy.
Why not try moving? Simply transfer potential energy into kinetic.
It worked!
Only $999.
What?
Buy it today.
Transition.
My name is Ethan. I'm the safety person on the team. You can call me Ethan, the guy of safety. In French, le homme de safety. But you can call me Safety Guy Ethan. A dab. Hello, I'm here to explain to you about energy.
Hello there. I've been hired to correct this uneducated buffoon.
You know, sometimes I think about life. Life is full of energy.
Yes, that's very true. Good point. Energy is everything and everywhere.
I think that this rock has energy in it. And that means that when you throw it at someone, the energy will transfer them and it will hurt, right?
Okay, yes. What he said here is correct. It does have energy and it would hurt very much to get hit by it. In fact, it hurts because of the kinetic energy contained inside it.
Hurt is more, hurt equals energy. Energy equals hurt. So don't use energy on other people. It's not safe.
No. Energy does not equal hurt, and hurt does not equal energy. The formula for energy, in fact, is varying depending on whether it's potential or kinetic. But it is never, never, never hurt.
If you raise the rock, it has more energy, I think. I was told like something like that. EP or something. Yeah, EP raises when you raise it. Yeah. And then...
Actually, he's correct here. The higher up it is, the greater amount of potential energy it contains. Also, EP is referred to as potential energy.
Yeah. Energy.
And that's the end of this part. Thank God.
Safety Guy Ethan. Today, we're gonna be exploding.
Oh dear Lord.
Today, we're gonna be making bombs. Dry ice bombs. Now, dry ice is very cold, so it's dangerous because it's really cold. And when it gets to that point of coldness, it actually burns, but it doesn't burn because it just feels like it burns, but it's actually cold.
These facts, although worded weirdly, are mostly correct.
Now, on to like the requirements. You just need dry ice, hot water. Is that what that is? It's hot water. Okay, hot water, and a bottle, a 2-liter bottle, preferably pop bottle, maybe a tonic water bottle. Doesn't really matter. Now, you might be thinking this is pretty dangerous. You need adult supervision, but no. That is exactly the opposite of what you actually want to do.
No. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna let him finish and then I'll explain it correctly later.
Studies have shown that most deaths these days are done by adults. And that means that adults are in fact unsafe. So don't keep them around this project. Don't listen to them because they're unsafe. It could make you unsafe. That could like... You're gonna be an adult one day, you're gonna be unsafe, but while you're a kid, just don't listen to them. Like, they're a bad influence, terrible influence in fact. Anyway, now on to dry ice. You can take this dry ice, see it's misting, I don't know if you can see that, it's misting, and you put it in there. Be careful though, because as you can see, the water just changed, and because it changed, that means it's science, and science is dangerous.
Okay, so first of all, please don't do this. When we did it, we went to a remote location with a first responder on hand. We were very well equipped and knew the dangers of dry ice. Now, for what a dry ice bomb is, you place dry ice in a bottle with hot water, place the cap on, and watch it explode. It blows up in a great display of kinetic energy. It had 3 types of potential energy: chemical, thermal, and elasticity. The chemical energy is from carbon dioxide and water reacting. The thermal is from water heating the ice until it expands and changes state. The elasticity is from the gas pushing on the bottle until it explodes. Now that's some cool science. Well, I'm done now.
Alright, so this is how you actually be safe. By wearing safety goggles. Logan's wearing safety goggles. Those safety goggles, although they may not have been covering his eyes, they were on his head and he was being safe because of that. I, in fact, had a safety stick, too, to poke things. So I recommend to always carry a safety stick on you at all times. In preparation, I recommend you get some expendable people and you make them do it for you while you stand and watch and be safe.
Transition.
Hey guys, Logan here. I just wanted to quickly say that this episode, we actually got a sponsor. What sponsor? Well, we got sponsored by the concept of energy. What's that? You want to be amazing and do or do not do things? You can using energy. Light yourself on fire. Thermal energy. Crush yourself under a rock. Gravitational energy. Do nothing. Potential energy. Punch someone in the face. Kinetic and/or mechanic energy. Get energy today. And do or do not do whatever you want to do. God, this is stupid. そんなんじゃダメもうそんなんじゃほら心は進化